Okay, so I got messages from people letting me know that YouTube does not have the option or remove the option to add people to private videos for sharing. I looked into it, and in fact that is the case under their new format. The way to get around that is you go up to the right hand corner where your logo is, whatever that icon is for you, click on that, go to your channel. Once you get to your channel, click on YouTube Studio. This is where it used to say YouTube Studio Beta. So now it's just YouTube Studio. Click on that. That's going to take you to this window. Here you want to click on the bottom left where it says Classic Studio or Creator Studio Classic. Click on that. It's going to ask you why you want to go here. I chose this one and put cannot add people for viewing shared for viewing private videos. Hit submit. You're going to get a pop-up. Here just go to the bottom and go to Legacy Classic. Once that loads, you're going to be back in your old school format or platform. Here you click on Video Manager on the left middle here. This will load your videos. This is a private one, so hit edit on the video you want. Go to the bottom and you will see the screen that you had before where it says private shared with. So I'm sharing it with 3 people. I can obviously edit that and add more people here, or I can just remove people. So when you're done with that, you hit save changes and you should be good to go. Hope that works for you. Good luck.